Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Good afternoon, depending on what time you are watching this, but the new hydrostat is showing up for the Coyote tractor. So let's take a quick look. Here's the new hydrostat. Tag. Part number. Boom, brand new. New seals. So let's go over something real quick over here at the tractor. So when you're splitting this shaft stays with the front of the tractor, but what you have to watch is there's a coupler in there and it falls off. So you have to always check that before you put it back together. So let's get this set up. We'll do a time lapse of me installing it. So it's only gonna be like 3-4 seconds, and hopefully we can get started on putting this thing back together and getting it back to the customer. Keep people happy, keep this shit show on the road. Let's go. Thank you for watching the video. This is going to be the end of the DK HST install and putting the tractor back together, because wasn't gonna film the whole reassembly process when you watch me take 95% of it apart. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.